Have you ever searched about the animation on Flutter and you leave this topic because it looks very scary at first time? Yes, I know. Because whenever we talk about the animation, we think about that we need to deal with the shape, position, movement, and all this kind of stuff. But in Flutter, you can do animation very easily. And good part is you don't need to deal with the shape, position, and movements. All are available. But before going to start all these things, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe it. And one more thing, I have something for you on my website, so please do visit my website and you can be a partner with us or you can work on our projects. And if you are looking for some good developers for your project, so it is also available. So just check this menu. Okay, as you can see on my screen, there is a color animation, bubble animation, zoom animation, and typing animation. A lot of type of animation is available, or even you can customize your own animation. So to add this kind of animation on your application, you need to use Flutter plugin. There is one plugin available named as Animate Text Kit, and Google official Flutter team is also promoting this plugin. As you can see, the popularity of this plugin is very good, 98%. So we can easily integrate this Flutter plugin. So let's move to the coding part. The first thing that you need to do, add the dependency. I already added this dependency. It is very simple and get. Now this is just a simple stateful widget. Inside the stateful widget, I have created one single scrollable child view and create widget for each type of animation. Okay. So for color animation, as you can see on the top, there is a two text. You can use single text only or you can use double text. It is all up to you. Only welcome. Okay. So this is the kit, animated text kit, and I have wrapped this animated text kit with a container. So that way you can easily understand all this animation one by one. So there is nothing fancy about this colored animation text. You need to just provide the style. Style is font size, font color, and it is a colored animation, so you need to provide the color. So it will be a color array. So how many color will be displayed on this text? If I will run this code again, so you can see there is 4 different colors. So you can change this color. It is all up to you. Now second is the liquid. So liquid means the water. So you can see the blue color is filling up this text. So it is just very simple. Just provide the wave color. So blue color, red color, you can choose your color, the text and the text size. Same way you can use the wave style. So this is a wave style, and also there's a scale animation available. So the text, learn Flutter development, there is a text actually, learn Flutter development. So you can see the scale animation. There is just simple thing you need to provide is the text and your style. Style will be text size, text font, text color. That's it. You can see all are same. Only the widget name, typewriter animation text, scale animation text, wave animation text. So all these libraries available, so you can use it. And if you have any other doubts about the Flutter app development or any other issue, so you can ask me. You can comment below or you can leave the message on my website. There is a chat box available. I will reply you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.